Hello, and welcome to the Visitor and Contractor Site Safety Induction. The well-being of each and every person visiting our site is extremely important to us, and we take issues of health and safety very seriously. We are legally and morally responsible for the safety of all people on this site. To this end, you must comply with any directions by any of our staff at any time. While you are on site, key personnel are available. Contact details are noted on the project contacts list to assist you with any questions that you may have with regards to your own safety. In addition, we take matters of copyright extremely seriously too. The taking of photos is strictly forbidden without the express permission of our site manager. We also reserve the right to search any tool bag, ordinary bag, or vehicle at any time. If you observe any suspicious activity or persons, please notify the site manager immediately. All movement on the site is strictly controlled. You must obey all signage, both pedestrian and traffic signs, and as a pedestrian, please keep to the marked walkways. Mobile phones are permitted, but you must not be walking or moving about while talking. You must first ensure you are in a safe place when making or taking your call. Stop walking or any movement whatsoever, have your conversation, and when you're finished, continue with your activity. This site supports a smoke-free environment. Smoking is only permitted in designated areas. Alcohol and non-prescription drugs are not permitted on the site at any time. Some locations on the site have additional safety obligations and may require you to sign in and out of a visitor's register. A local safety induction may also be required in these areas. All contractors must provide their work method statements and copies of insurance and license. These documents must be accepted by one of our supervisors before any work is commenced on the site. You are also required to read and accept all our company safety instructions and terms and conditions. Please notify us immediately if you do not agree or have any issues with our company safety instructions and terms and conditions. This is to ensure your issue or issues can be resolved before you commence work on site. If you fail to comply with any of the conditions previously mentioned, or your actions are deemed to breach health and safety protocols, you will be issued with a stop work order, which will mean no further work can be undertaken until the issue is resolved. While on the site, you may encounter excavators and other mechanical handling equipment, MHEs. No person is allowed within 3 meters of an excavator or MHE while they are in operation. You are required to wear the proper serviceable personal protective equipment, PPE, for the task you are performing. You should have all your own PPE, but please ask a supervisor if any assistance is required. Please also be aware, dangerous goods may be stored on the site. If you require access to these areas, a separate induction will be required at these locations. This is our company's general site safety induction. You must contact the site manager for site-specific details before entering any of our building site.